Hi, I'm Mike Ryan, the CEO of RSP based in Brookfield, Wisconsin. If you have already reviewed our website or watched some of my earlier videos about recycled ocean plastic from OceanWorks and RSP, you should have a good understanding of some of the basic information. Now, you might be wondering, what are the next steps to move forward? Here's a brief description of that process. Step 1. By now, you should have reviewed the material options and be familiar with OceanWorks catalog materials and data sheets. Now, you're ready to sample the material. OceanWorks and RSP offer a variety of sampling options to make it easy, from 10 kilograms to 500 kilograms, or even more. If you aren't sure what material is right for you, ask our technical experts. We have experience working with and molding most of the materials in the catalog and can offer advice. Make sure to look at the pricing. Material prices vary a lot, but are often competitive with other recycled, similar materials, or even virgin materials. Step 2. It's the perfect time to develop a product plan. You have selected the best option or options for material. Now dive a little deeper by confirming lead times and producing those sample parts. Your sample parts might be made with existing tooling, or you might make a prototype tool, or maybe just studying the raw material. It's important to learn about how the material will perform. If everything looks good with samples, now is the time to complete your testing and review the results. The final step, in my opinion, is the most fun: launching your product. You should work with your marketing department on a go-to-market strategy and campaign. It's great that you are using recycled marine material. Now is the time to tell the story to the consumer, to the world. You can create a visual campaign using OceanWorks marketing assets or develop your own. Also, consider using the impact metrics from OceanWorks to share how much recycled material you are using, how you are offsetting your plastic footprint. This is your chance to brag about sustainability and global responsibility. Tell the story of recycled ocean plastic. Want to do even more for the environment? Amplify your efforts with the customized Impact Plus program. You can commit to remove even more material from the ocean based on purchases or when a consumer scans a QR code, for example. If you have questions or want to learn more about RSP or recycled ocean plastics, call or contact us today.